Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me a Nokia device. As you can see, I have Nokia 9 PureView device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items. So, firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So, firstly, you need to have the old toothbrush, then insert the one part of the toothbrush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. Pry the dirt out, and after this process, your USB charging port will be freed from the debris and dirt and dust. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.